Hey guys, I'm going to be doing my empties today, and I have a bit of a issue. I can't remember if so I did my last empties video and I can't remember if I emptied out the stuff that I talked about last time. So I don't know if there's like double ups in here, I'm really confused, but if there is, just ignore that. But this is my empties for this month. Well, actually not for this month, this has been like a couple of months in the making. But yeah, anyway, let's get into it and talk about these products. So first, I don't know if this was in here last time or not, I can't remember, but anyway, this is the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow candle, and this one is from 2014. This is one of the ones that, oh my god, it smells so good, that like I got when I first started buying Bath & Body Works, and like recently burnt this year until it was finished. And oh my god, it smells absolutely incredible. What I think I'm going to do with this is wash it out, get all the wax out, and then decant some of my other candles that are broken into here. I have two currently that need to be fixed, or like need to be depotted into another jar, so I think that's what I'm going to do. But this one smells amazing, and I really hope that one day I get to have this scent again because it just is so good. It says the comforting sweetness of vanilla combines with a mouth-watering cloud of pumpkin marshmallow. Oh, so good. So if you ever get the chance to try out vanilla pumpkin marshmallow, definitely do it. Also in here I used up a Clinique Take Off the Day Balm. Pretty sure I'm like halfway through my next one as well. I tried out a new Bath & Body Works makeup remover and nothing compares, honestly. This is just the best. This is one of their big ones. This is the 125ml and it is all gone. I love this stuff so much. It is the best makeup remover in the whole entire world. It takes like 1 second to get your makeup off. And I just love it. Highly recommend it. It's about $50. It lasts me like a good couple of months. And it's just the best thing in the world. You need like the tiniest amount of product. And yeah, it's just so good. I also went through the Ocean Salt from Lush. This is just one of the small ones, like the 120 gram. And I really love this scrub. It is such a nice scrub. Oh, it still smells like it in here. Like I kind of want to eat it. It really does smell like ocean salt, but not like fishy, just like super fresh and just so beautiful. Like it smells like you're at the beach. It makes you feel so clean and so just like, I don't know, like awakened, I guess. Like once I was really sick not long back, I had like a really bad cold and like didn't get out of bed for a couple of days and stuff, and I was just feeling gross, and this honestly made me feel like I had been reborn. Like it's just such a nice product, so nice in the shower, so like nice and energizing. It just makes you feel so awake and so fresh and so clean, and I highly recommend it. And I definitely will be repurchasing it when I finally get you know, some of my other scrubs used up, you know. I finally used up the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and it's kind of hard to tell. It still looks like there's product in there, but honestly, like, okay, something just came out then. Whoops, I really thought this was all gone. Maybe it's not. Anyway, it was like nothing was coming out the other day, and I was trying for like 20 minutes and nothing came out. And so I put it in my empties, but anyway, I'm gonna leave it in here anyway. It is 3 years old at this point. It was my first high-end foundation I bought, and I do really love it. I definitely will be buying another, just once again after I get some other products down, you know, because there's no point like buying new stuff at the moment when, or like repurchasing stuff at the moment when my collection is already out of hand. Anyway. But yeah, this is the Too Faced Born This Way. I will be buying it in another shade though, because this one's in the shade Porcelain and it is way too dark for me. I don't know who gave Too Faced their, like, names, you know? Anyway. Some of this stuff isn't fully empty, but it's just, I'm still in here, okay? Anyway, the next thing is the Tatcha Silk Cream. And this is one of their little moisturizers. It smells so good. You can see that this one is fully gone, and I do really like this. It's one of their their moisturizers. I think I like the water cream better though. I don't know why. It feels like, I just feel like it was better. But yeah, I did really enjoy the silk cream as well. Tatcha products are just so nice. I don't know if I would repurchase this one just because they are so expensive. But yeah, I feel like if I was going to buy one, it would be the water cream. But yeah, I do really like that as well. I used up a couple of mascaras. First, we used up the Benefit They're Real Tinted Primer. This one I got in Brisbane last year, so it's lasted a very long time. This is a mascara primer and I love it. I used it literally every time I did my makeup before my mascara. It's just such a good product. I feel like it really makes my mascara look nice and last longer and stuff, and I feel very sad that I don't have it anymore, and I would definitely like to repurchase it. But I did just get the Morphe, like the Morphe primer, so I'm gonna try that out and see how it goes, and then yeah, maybe repurchase this at a later date. Some other mascaras that I used up, the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I love this mascara, it's such a good one, and I'm really sad that it's gone. I feel a bit empty. I think I've got a, what do you call it, like a backup, so that's fine. But yeah, it wasn't when I was looking to do my makeup today, and it wasn't there. It just felt so lost. But yeah, I do really love the Too Faced Better Than Sex. It's such a great one. It's such a, either you love it or you hate it. There's people who absolutely despise it, and I think it's amazing. So then I also used up the Revolution Mascara Revolution. I feel like this is a really good mascara for the price point. This one lasted a very long time as well. Don't know if I would repurchase it, just I have a few others that stick out a bit more, but if you're looking for a good cheap one, definitely pick that up. And the same with the Colourpop volumizing mascara. I do really like this. This one is in the shade Black on Black, but they do have like coloured ones, like all different colours. I really like the one of this. It's very similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex. But yeah, that was another good mascara. I'm really sad about this one because what happened was I was using it and then it snapped off, and so it got prematurely emptied, if you know what I mean. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. And what happened was, like, I pulled it out one day and there was no product in there, and I was like, what the hell? But I didn't know that it had gone into the lid, so when I put it back on, it like smushed up against the side, and yeah, it's empty. But I do really like this, the Brow Wiz. But honestly, I'm using the Morphe micro brow pencil at the moment, and I really don't notice a difference. I admittedly only use it to like fill in the front bit of my brow and to like fill in a few sparse areas, but I really did not notice a difference. And their prices are very different. Like, I think there's like a $20 difference between the two of them. So if you're not too worried about brand name, I feel like just try the Morphe one first. I really enjoy the Morphe brow pencil, but yeah, I do love the Brow Wiz as well. I used up a couple of Stila Glitter and Glows, which makes me sad because I love them so much. I used up Stylish and Gold Goddess and Diamond Dust. Diamond Dust is probably my all-time favourite shade, but I also have, this is how they all look here. I can't swatch them for you because they're just so dried up, but we have Stylish, Gold Goddess and Diamond Dust. People say they dry up fast, but honestly I've had these for probably about a year or so. Like, I do know what they mean. There's still product in here that I can't use, but that's not because they dried up too fast, that's because I didn't use it soon enough, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I don't know, I really like them. And often they come in like little packs of 3, and I feel like it's quite good value for your money. So yeah, I really enjoy them, and I'm very sad that these are gone, and I definitely will be repurchasing more of these in the future. I used up the Anastasia Brow Gel, and this one is really good. It is so pigmented. Like, honestly, it's like a full, oh, this is the Dip Brow Gel, sorry. It's like a full brow look in just the gel, if you know what I mean. You know how some tinted brow gels are just that, like just a tint. This is like full pomade in a brow gel pretty much. It's really good. It can be tricky to work with because it is so pigmented, so I really recommend doing this before you do your concealer and taking a light hand. But apart from that, it's really good. I used up a Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I love this. It's such a good one. I feel like everyone knows it's like a cult favourite. I've got 2 peach ones, and also I just bought the 2 holiday collection ones, so I have another full size and another mini on the way. I mean, well, they're actually in my lounge room, but yeah, so I'm sad that this one's gone, but I'm also glad that I have backups. So yeah, I love that. It's such a good mist. Let's get on to some lashes. First, I have the Unicorn Cosmetics Bubble Pop Lashes. Now, these just are not my style really, but I feel like I've used them to death. I love Unicorn Cosmetics lashes, and they have so many great styles. This style is not my favourite, but they still are really good and I got a lot of use out of them. Did I say that they were bubble pop? I can't remember, but anyway, highly recommend Unicorn Cosmetics lashes. They have so many stars for anything that you're after. These two are from Exo Beauty and I'm so sad that they're gone, but I will be repurchasing them. So the first one is the style Fantasy and I absolutely love these. What happened was I was cleaning the like eyeshadow and eyelash glue and stuff off them and accidentally ripped one of the pairs. So yeah, that's the only reason I'm getting rid of these, but apart from that I love them and they were such good lashes and lasted so long, and I definitely want to repurchase these. And then I have Illusion, which I really love as well, except the only thing I did was I cut them too short when I trimmed them, so they just looked a bit funny because like they stopped like there, if you know what I mean. I trimmed them too short, so that was my own fault, but once again they lasted a really long time while I wore them. Because I think what I did was like I wore them without trimming them and then I trimmed them and trimmed them too much, so I don't know. Anyway, such beautiful lashes. I definitely will be repurchasing those two in Illusion and Fantasy. Pinky Rose Cosmetics lashes in Mimi. They're just not my favourite. They just weren't really my thing. They looked a bit too plasticky, so yeah. The reason I'm including them in my empties is because I feel like I still use them and you can't like pass them on to anyone really. So yeah. Chi Chi lashes in Heidi, really just not my style. I don't really like them. And then the Chi Chi lashes in Alkali. Is that how you say it? Yeah, Aliki. Oh, maybe it's Aliki. I don't know. Anyway, I really don't like either of these styles. They're just not my thing. But once again, that's like not the brand's fault. Like I just chose the wrong style of lash. I still have two from Chi Chi that I absolutely love in Linda and Adriana. They are much more up my alley, whereas these two are just not a style that I like. And then last but not least, I got rid of all of my Dodo lashes because I've had these for years now and I do really like them, but I just don't reach for them anymore. And I kind of want to move on to some other brands, and these are just kind of taking up room in my lash drawer. But we have D207, we have D119, we have D105 and also D115. But yeah, they were really good. But yeah, just once again, moving on to other things. And then I have the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. This is one of my all-time favorite liquid liners. You guys know that I absolutely love it. It's just at the end of its life, as you can see. But it's such a good liner. It's so easy to use. Like I feel like this is the reason that I know how to do liquid liner now, because I practiced with this. It's such a nice colour. It works so well. It's what you get like a thin line, and I just love it. Best liner. Then I got rid of the ultra glossy lip, the Kathleen Lights X Colourpop in Moonchild. I decluttered this because it was so old, but I still wanted to mention it because it is such a nice product. And yeah, I'm just sad because it's so beautiful. It's like a really nice brow gloss with like little like gold and silver shimmers through it. It's so beautiful. But yeah, I got this years ago and it just needs to go. But yeah, I feel like that's an empty for me as well. And then the last thing in here this month, well not this month because you know what I mean, like the last thing in here for this time is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation, and I love this one, but mine has started separating and also the pump doesn't work anymore. So I thought it was time to get rid of this, and this one's in the shade Creamy Vanilla. I think when I repurchase it I will buy a different colour. But yeah, such a beautiful foundation. It looks so nice, but mine is just at the end of its life. Yeah, that is my empties. So thank you guys so much for watching. I actually really love empties videos because I find people using up product like so satisfying. But yeah, I will probably be back with one of these in like another month or so, hopefully. I'm really trying to get into the habit of actually using up all the stuff that I have, like my skincare, body care, my candles, my makeup, you know. I'm a kind of person that I'm really weird about using stuff up. Like I worry that if I use something that I'll never be able to get it again and like my life will be ruined. And yeah, I get really funny about using things up. I like to kind of just like preserve things and keep them there to look at, but there's no point in having them if I do that, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm trying really hard to push myself into moving and like what am I saying? I'm really trying hard to push myself into using things up and yeah, getting into that habit. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!